Let me save you years of pain. These are the 3 biggest mistakes that keep people broke. Fix them and your life will change forever. Mistake number 1. Only working for a salary. Most people spend life trading time for money. If they work 8 hours, they get paid. But stop working and the money stops too. That's a trap. Wealthy people build assets, things that earn even while they sleep. It can be investments, content, or a side business. If your only income is your job, you'll stay stuck on the wheel. Mistake number 2, spending before saving. Lifestyle inflation is deadly. Each time people earn more, they spend more. They upgrade the car, the TV, the apartment. I know people earning $30,000 a month yet still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because they bought a new car instead of saving. They thought it was success, but really it was just another bill. The truth is simple. If you can't save when you make $30,000, you won't save when you make $100,000 either. Mistake number 3, believing in luck instead of discipline. Too many wait for a miracle, the lottery ticket, the dream deal, the big break. But luck is not a plan. Discipline beats luck every time. Talent without discipline stays broke. You might be gifted, but if you can't show up, save, and build consistently, you won't move forward. Discipline creates opportunities, and when luck finally arrives, you'll be ready to catch it. Here's the story. I've seen talented people with all the gifts, but they never stuck to anything. They started fast, but quit when it got hard. Then I've seen average people with no special skills, but they kept showing up day after day. Guess who won? Not the most talented, but the most disciplined. So how do you fix this? 3 steps. 1. Don't rely only on your salary. Build something on the side. 2. Save first, then spend what's left. 3. Stop waiting for luck. Rely on discipline, not miracles. Work smart. Save first. Stay disciplined. That's the path to wealth and freedom. Subscribe for more, and if you're an artist looking for industry-level beats, check the link in the description.